Being a Summersfield star involves respecting and nurturing everything in our surroundings. Since the beginning, every student is taught to be a peacemaker and care for the planet in which we live in. Everybody in our school works together in collaboration to make a safe and environmentally friendly place to educate the students. We strive to be the absolute epitome of a superb eco-school, and we hope to instigate a great trend in our society. At every stage of our learning experience, Summersfield has taught us, the students, how to be a green activist. We were taught this even when we were in the Children's House division and only 3 to 6 years old. The toddlers are encouraged to never waste anything, bring in 100% trash-free lunch, and compost all scraps. They are taught how to tend a box garden and sustainably grow food for themselves. And in the middle years program, for 11 to 16-year-olds, we are constantly directed by our teachers, peers, and parents to follow the same code of ethics. Every day, we bring in a reusable hot lunch container and water bottle, in which we fill up at a water dispenser that gets its water from the vapor in the air. In the hopes of saving massive amounts of paper, all of our report cards are sent out electronically. In order to save electricity, we have skylights and solar panels scattered around the campus. In the library, we have a scrap paper bin where visitors can take as they please. Even in the art room, we are still eco-friendly by reusing old but clean containers as paint palettes. Every age group in our entire school is given an opportunity to truly make a difference in our local environment. Even though most of these activities are school-based, our environmental strategies have definitely also carried out of school and into the community. For the first time ever, students in M3 are required to do a community project. This year, 2 groups have made very successful projects that involve the environment and have goals that regard helping to revive our beautiful island. One of these projects is called Clear Oceans Group, and it is focused on the issues in our society that involve marine dumping. Clear Oceans Group organized a cleanup at a local beach called Whalebone Bay, and are in the process of creating a documentary about their project. Another group did a project called Bottles for Bermuda, and this project focused on the drastic effects of plastic water bottles on our environment. Bottles for Bermuda ordered 200 bottles to the school, and are constantly selling them for $10 each to members in our community, hoping that they will eliminate or decrease the amount of plastic that we consume as a whole. Not only does our school practice environmental codes of conduct on campus, but also off property. For example, in late 2014, the students in MYP were taken to Cooper's Island Nature Reserve for a beach cleanup and native species revival. We were required to pick up plastic of all different sizes off the sand and record data to give to BIOS. This organization then retrieved the information and used it for scientific research on Bermuda's environment. During the day, we also planted 3 endemic trees in the reserve and cleared out all invasive plants that were harming the native trees. After we finished with our work, we looked upon the property and saw how much of a difference we had made in one day. Throughout our educational careers at Summersfield, we have been taught the true meaning of what it means to be an eco-school. We are proud to be one, and hopefully we are inspiring other schools around the island to become one too. After all, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, but rather borrow it from our children.